You can get new review gadget video in this gadget channel. The video that will be shown now in electronics gadget. Necessary gadget for your everyday life. Do subscribe to gadget channel and press the bell button. Please like, comments and share. The link is given in the description below. Number 1. Bumruk backpack. Bumruk, world first lightweight backpack share. Revelation your brain's experience with the most comfortable backpack you have ever sit in. Bumruk is for everyone who goes outside and has a broom. From the beach to the park to a contact hacking tail to just staying at your compass. Hello. Bumruk helps you carry everything you need and instead give you a place to sit whenever you feel like it. We found ourselves carrying a backpack. Our occasions fill it with a fill beverage and a towel. But without the comfort of a chair, our beach days were of cut short. And we often return back with sole brooms. Number 2. Trek. Trek is the world leader in mountain bike technology. No surprise that our mountain bikes are the most technological advanced on the market. Here, inventions are not limited to only the highest In.MTB models. Every Trek mountain bike is loaded with features and details that will make any ride on any trail. Battery, a full carbon frame, heart-changing separation, fast rolling carbon wheel, and XTR driving make this top of the line ride the undisputed king of superlate 9.9xx1 AXS is the fastest, lightest and most capability course country rack bike we make. The exclusive integrated shock is the calm store and super system, giving you a fast and light ride that sends through return and speed. A high-end mountain bike part space feature a full wireless